Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to TechUp YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your Shazam history on iPhone without downloading the app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, you need to search for the settings in here. Let me search for it, and now once you open it you'll be able to see the settings section or interface on in the screen, where you need to scroll a little bit down, and now you can see the control center, which is at the bottom of this general option. So simply select the control center, and now you can see the music recognition at the bottom. So let me remove it and show you a demo from the scratch. So now you can see the more controls, right? So you need to scroll a little bit down, and in this more control section you can see the music recognition. So simply tap on that plus icon, and now you will be able to add it in your control panel successfully. Now what you can do is you simply need to slide it from the top right corner to the down, and now you can see the Shazam icons on in the screen. So what you can do is simply hold that Shazam icon, and now you'll be able to see your history over here successfully. You can see there are 8 songs. So yeah, this is how you can check Shazam history on iPhone without downloading the app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.